In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Manychat Pro in just a few simple steps. Manychat is an excellent tool for building and managing conversations on platforms like Facebook Messenger, and the Pro version gives you enhanced features that can really elevate your engagement strategy. So let's dive right into how you can upgrade your Manychat experience to Pro seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Manychat website. Just open up your preferred web browser and type in the Manychat URL. Once there, the first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your account. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't yet have an account, you will need to create one by following the prompts. But assuming you're all set, go ahead and click on sign in. After you're signed in, you'll be on the Manychat dashboard, also known as the Manychat home. It's the control center for all your chatbot activities, where you manage not just your bots, but your settings, analytics, and more. From here, you'll spot a link or button that says view pricing. Clicking on that will introduce you to the different plans that Manychat offers, including the Pro version. As you view the pricing page, take your time to compare the various features and benefits of the Pro plan against the free version. You'll notice enhancements like unlimited custom audiences, advanced targeting, and premium support, which are all there to help you boost your business's reach and efficiency. Once you're satisfied that the Pro plan meets your needs, you should look for the Become Pro button. This will initiate the process to upgrade your account. Clicking Become Pro will direct you to the payment section. Here you'll need to provide your payment details. Manychat accepts various forms of payment, typically including credit and debit cards, so have those ready. It's a secure process and your information will be handled with care. Ensure all your information is correct before submitting. Once you complete the payment, you'll receive a confirmation, and just like that, you're now officially a Manychat Pro subscriber. Congratulations! You now have access to a broader set of features that will help you drive more engagement and make the most out of your chatbot interactions. Remember to explore all the new tools available to you as a Pro user and really put them to work to see the best results. That's it folks, you're all set to take your Manychat experience to the next level. Thank you for watching and happy chatting.